This is the smartest way for you to make $5,000 every month this year. Listen closely because once you learn this strategy, your life can change forever. Everyday people, including myself, have gone from broke to making full-time income online. But how did they do it? Did they get lucky? Did they have a lot of help? Good news for you, you don't need a lot of money or luck because the path to 5K a month falls into 3 simple steps. Follow this guide exactly for 6 weeks and your bank account and your life will change forever. Hands down, the quickest, the most profitable way to start earning passive income is through combining YouTube automation with selling digital products. And I'm going to teach you how to do that in this video. YouTube automation is where you post videos without showing your face, without filming anything yourself, and you still make money every day. And when you pair that up with a simple Canva product that you can sell over and over again, the results stack up fast. You make it once and it sells itself, even while you're sleeping. So let me break it down for you. So step 1, create your product. I always start by building a digital product in Canva. Something like an ebook, a workbook, a planner, or even a digital challenge. You don't need to be an expert. You just need to know a little bit more than your target customer. This could be about wellness, mindset, productivity, or even just your personal experience. Don't worry if you're not a great writer. We live in 2025. You could literally have AI write the whole thing for you. You just create the outline and just tell AI what to do. Then take that content, go into Canva, search ebook or workbook templates, and then drop it in. That's exactly what I did for one of my first digital products. A cheat sheet to help people get started with digital products and make their first sale. I created it using ChatGPT and Canva. So if you want access to that, make sure to check the link in the description box so you can grab that for free. Step 2, create a faceless video to sell it. This is where the automation starts. Most people waste time posting on Etsy or waiting for SEO to kick in, but smart creators are using YouTube Shorts to drive traffic on autopilot. Here's what you do. Write a quick 15 to 30-second story that speaks to your customer's pain point. You want to do something like, here's why you're still broke and how to fix it. Record your voice using your phone, or you could use an AI voice. Go to Pexels or Pixabay and download free stock video clips. Use CapCut or Canva to combine the footage with your voiceover and add bold text on top. And just like that, you have a YouTube automation video that runs 24/7. And when people watch, they'll see your Gumroad link in your description where they could buy your product. Step 3, upload your product and set up your store. So this part used to stress me out because I was using Etsy before. Until one day my store got randomly suspended and all my sales stopped overnight. That's why I switched to Gumroad. It's beginner friendly, free to start, and doesn't require a domain, a monthly fee, or a full website. Just go to the top right and click get started. After that, you want to upload your Canva product, write a quick description and choose your pricing, and then hit publish. Once that's done, you'll get a shareable link. Put that link in every YouTube Shorts you make. Then you want to pin it in the comments and add it to your bio. Gumroad takes care of payments, even accepts Apple Pay and credit cards, so customers can buy instantly. No tech headaches, no waiting for approval, just clean, easy sales. Bonus idea, sell audio files. If you don't want to write a full ebook or workbook, you could still make money creating audio products. This could be meditations, affirmations, ASMR, or motivational recordings. You don't need fancy equipment. Just open your phone's voice memo and just start talking. Example, you could say something like, I am successful, I am abundant, I attract wealth effortlessly. Then use a free app like Audacity to clean up your audio file. Then add royalty-free background music, export it as an MP4 file, then upload it to your Gumroad store. People are making 5K a month or more selling these digital files, and you can too. But here's the truth. Most people fail because they focus on what to sell, not who they're helping. If you want to make serious money, stop chasing trendy products. Just start by solving a problem. Listen to what people are complaining about, then write it down, search it on TikTok or YouTube. Then you want to figure out what's the root of the problem. What solutions have they already tried? Why didn't those solutions work? Once you understand their pain better than they do, you'll know exactly what product to create. Then create the content. Use that content to teach, to solve, and to inspire, and point people to your digital product every time. This exact system works because the product solves a real problem, the videos drive traffic for free, and the store handles checkouts automatically. You just have to take action. You don't need a fancy setup. You don't need a big audience. You just need one good idea and a little consistency. Keep showing up, keep learning, and keep testing. Because once you make your first $1,000, you'll wish you'll started sooner. If this video gave you value, make sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And comment the word automation if you want the full tutorial. And subscribe for more step-by-step content like this. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out though. Peace. Also, guys, I gave you guys Gumroad to sell your digital products, but if you guys want more options to sell your digital products, check out this video right here. It'll break it down for you.